All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, where we are proud to present this 2018 Ford Transit. It is the T-250 mid-roof, long wheelbase with 12,000 miles, I believe. White with gray vinyl interior, power windows, power door locks, backup camera, power mirrors. Super nice, and best of all, minimal damage around the body. Let's go real quick. Your front bumper looks pretty good. Your front hood looks good. Your front fender looks nice. Here's your front driver's rim or steel wheel. Your tire thread here looks like it's under 430 seconds. This door looks okay. This quarter has a heavy scratch here. It's got a dent over here, as you can see it on the camera. Boom. See if I move this way. Boom. There you go. Some heavy scratching here and here. And that's about it for the rest of this vehicle. Here's your rear driver's side steel wheel. And your tire thread is just over 430 seconds. That's right. Turn on the power of the light here. I forgot. You got power windows, power door locks. Here's your front. Oh, I left the key in here. So it does come with one key fob combo, and owner's manuals. So, front seat, no holes, no tears, no rips to this. Let's jump in here. Turn on the car for you guys. It does have owner's manuals wrapped up in its package. So, of course, what your AM, FM stereo system looks like. Get your AC controls right down below. You get your backup camera. Boom. And this is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage of 12,698. Alright. Pretty much completes the tour for in here. Looks good. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. Alright. Coming around, your rear bumper looks pretty good. It looks a little wet. It's been raining, so I just pulled this truck in. Rear doors look okay. You got a dent here, about 2 inches, another little dent over here, some dinghies, got heavy scratching, and another little dent there. Alright, that's pretty much it. You see these doors do fold all the way out. Of course, this is what your cargo area looks like. Very nice. Your wheel wells look good from either side. Boom. So one of your doors looks like. Looks nice. So what your other door looks like right here. And that looks nice. Let me get a ladder, which I have back here. Let's see how this roof looks. Wow, roof looks good. This is what your roof looks like. Very nice. I don't see any dents, anything up here. Looks good. Choop, 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 choop. Get this out of the way. Keep it moving. And this quarter looks pretty good. We do have some damage here. As you can see, it comes here, crease, a dent there. Alright. Here's your rear passenger side steel wheel. And your tire thread is under 430 seconds. There's a dent on this door, as you can see it there. It's got a couple of dings from the inside of the vehicle out. You can kind of see it. There's 2 there, there's 1 there, and there's 1 right there. What your side cargo area looks like. Very nice. Looks good, I like it. This door has a dent here, about 2 to 3 inches. The rest of it looks pretty good. Here's your front passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips to that. Front door looks good. Front passenger steel wheel. And your tire thread is crap. That's a crap tire. Either I find the new tire, but having troubles finding these tires. So either I find a new tire, or it's going to be on OBE as you need to find a new tire. Let's see if the lights are working. I didn't turn it on. lights are working. There you go, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is a 2018 Ford Transit T-250 mid-roof long wheelbase with 12,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.